Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a password to your Windows user account, which means that when you turn on your computer, you will need to type in the password to access your user account before logging into Windows. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Settings, and you now need to click on Accounts. And we now need to go down to Sign In Options. And you will now see password. You need to simply click on add, and you now need to type in a password. You need to type this password in 2 times, and you then need to click on next. And you do need to type in a password hint. This can be anything. I'm just going to put the letter T and press next, and you now need to press finish. And there we go, I now have a password set on my user account, which means that you cannot now access my user account without my password. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.